afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, October 25th, and you know what that means. It's a
funky
fresh
Friday.
Here at Gilbert
Mortgage.
Hey, I'm Rob.
And I'm John.
And we are here to tell you about some fun things happening this weekend.
Oh, yeah, Rob. What's up first?
Well, first, John, this was a good one. It is National Greasy Foods Day.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
right. So those watching the scale, beware. Although not the healthiest choices, man, every once in a while, it is so good to enjoy something greasy, isn't it?
But from fried chicken, pizza, nachos, French fries to bacon, hash browns, we all like a treat in our regular diet.
Well, I'll tell you,
If
every
it's not
once
the
in a while-
regular diet.
Oh, something greasy sounds really good every once in a while.
I'm hungry. Now, Rob, what's next?
Well, now we're going to, after we've had something greasy, let's go to the Arizona Jazz Fest.
Oh, yeah.
That's right. So get ready for an incredible weekend at Arizona Jazz Fest.
Sounds like a
They're
blast.
going to have over 20 amazing performances from artists near and far. There's going to be something for everyone. So
Oh, yeah.
they're going to have music, soak in the atmosphere, exploit. They're going to have a variety of food and drink options.
Maybe some we just described.
Including beer and wine, right? So hopefully your greasy food will be good there. So stay tuned for updates on this year's offerings. And guys, you don't want to miss this one. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Yep, and that's going to start Friday the 25th through Sunday the 27th at the West Valley Event Complex, which is at 10020 North Ballpark Boulevard in Glendale.
Oh, that's not too bad. That's not a bad. Nice little trip. All right, John, what else we got going on this weekend?
Well, get ready for a magical Halloween adventure with glowing pumpkins. Stroll through a 1-mile trail featuring over 5,000 hand-carved pumpkins.
5,000.
Plus glowing sculptures of Halloween characters, dinosaurs, superheroes, and more, all set to an incredible music and light show. Perfect for the whole family.
Nice.
This Phoenix Jack-o'-lantern adventure promises fun for all ages. In fact, stick around for food, drinks, and festive vibes.
Go see
Sounds like a plan.
5,000 pumpkins.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah, just a couple.
And guys, that's now through November 2nd. It's going to be the Riverwalk at Rawhide, which is 5700
Rawhide.
North Loop Road, right over there in Chandler. And guys, best news, children under 2 get in free, and your car gets in free. Free parking. Yeah, how about that?
Can't beat that, Rob. Well, what else we got going on? We got some food, got some pumpkins, some jazz.
Halloween, you got to get scared, right? You got to
Oh,
go do some haunted house stuff. And we've got the perfect place called Fear Farm, guys.
Oh, yeah.
So ready to get the scare of your life? Venture just outside the city to one of the scariest places in Arizona, guys. Dead Hour waits, where blood-soaked fiends and chainsaw-wielding maniacs rule the twisted remains of the slaughterhouse. Guys, there's going to be no escape from the terror that lurks around every corner. How about this one scary part? In Clown Alley, who's afraid of clowns?
Creepy
Everybody.
clowns.
Boomer, the malevolent clown, and his haunted carnival crew hunger for fresh souls, turning Halloween dreams into nightmares. Like a little Captain Hook or a little Davy Jones locker. How about the nautical nightmare? That's going to bring Captain Rust Hook and his cursed crew back from the depths, ready to drag new souls into his ghostly army. And, of course, in Carnage, a deadly virus has unleashed a zombie apocalypse. John, are you going to survive? Are you going to make it?
Hope so.
Zombie
Hope
apocalypse.
it's not like a
Holy
few
moly.
years ago.
Woo!
But of course, now to November 2nd, Fear Farm, which is at 6801 North 99th Avenue in Phoenix, is going to have this awesome event. So get your tickets on for the ultimate Halloween experience and face those horrors, if you dare.
John, what else we got going on?
Well, that's a great question. Hale Theater presents Irving Berlin's Holiday Inn.
Oh, I love Holiday.
Get into the holiday spirit with Holiday Inn, inspired by the beloved film starring Bing Crosby and Fred Astaire. This classical music brings festive magic to life at a charming inn that opens only on holidays. Kind of interesting. Of course, enjoy dazzling dance numbers, toe-tapping Irving Berlin tunes, and heartwarming story of love, friendship, and celebration. Don't miss this joyful celebration of the holiday season.
You know, John, quick
Sounds like a
trivia
blast.
question. Irving Berlin wrote his famous song, I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas, right here in Scottsdale, Arizona.
That's cool.
Makes sense now, doesn't it? I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas.
Because
He's
you
in
never really
Arizona.
see one unless you go up north.
Yeah, he wrote that song at the Biltmore.
Interesting.
Arizona Biltmore, yep.
Like
And
somebody
guys,
had some fake snow they're throwing over the window for him, just get him in the mood.
he was dreaming of a white Christmas. He's out here in the desert. Needs some snow. Guys, it's going to be October 11th through November 23rd, so you got plenty of time. There are 2 shows, 7:30 and 10 o'clock. It's going to be at the Hale 30, the Hale Theater, Hale Theater, 50 West Page Avenue in beautiful Gilbert.
Sounds like a blast, Rob. What else we got going on?
Well, now it's time for this week's Funky Fresh Friday Tip of the Week. That's right. Welcome, everyone, to tonight's debate on mortgage and home affordability. Guys, I'm going to start off with my opening statement, if you don't mind. So we want to thank everybody. And guys, you see home ownership, it is fundamental. It's a core of the American dream. And as we move into the new year, we have to ask ourselves, are we doing enough to make home loans accessible for everyone? It's about affordability. It's about families being able to thrive in their new homes. We've got to be forward thinking, and we must be bold.
Thank you, Rob. In fact, folks, let me tell you, we need to make mortgages great again. Lower rates, tremendous rates, fewer regulations, fewer obstacles, okay? Big league kind of. We've been held back in the past, but we don't need to be. With the right approach, we're going to create a future where home ownership is within reach for every American. Believe me, folks, it's going to be huge.
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 Absolutely. But let's not forget, we also need to be mindful of lending practices, right? We've seen what happens when consumers aren't protected. So this isn't about rates, it's about ensuring families don't get trapped by hidden fees or deceptive lending. We've got to make sure the future is fair and attainable for everyone, not just for a few, right? But for everyone.
Right. I get it. But listen, we need to unleash the potential, okay? The mortgage market, it's incredible. It's powerful. We can reduce regulations that are crushing it. By doing that, we're going to encourage competition, drive down those rates, and give Americans more options. It's got to be simple, folks. Simple and straightforward. No more of this complicated nonsense.
Well, John, competition definitely is good, but let's be real, we can't compromise on consumer protections either. So this is about building a future where everyone can own a home without being exploited by predatory practices. Guys, we can't let greed dictate policy. We need to focus on the opportunities of tomorrow.
So true, Rob. So true. And we're going to partner with great lenders like us here at Guild Mortgage, great people, of course. We're going to get rid of all this red tape, and it's just slowing down the process. It's unbelievable how slow it can be right now. Families deserve to be in their homes, and we're going to make sure that it happens fast for them. We're going to make this happen fast and smart at the same time.
Yeah, and we can't just focus on speed. We've got to make sure we're addressing the needs of all the communities. Every family, regardless of background, deserves a fair shot at home ownership. So we've got to be intentional about supporting those who need it most. It's all about equity, John.
Let's make it happen, Rob. With all the right strategies, low rates, more opportunities, we're going to win. It's going to be a great year for home buyers. Believe me, it's going to be great.
Absolutely, guys. And together, we can build a future where home ownership isn't just a dream, but a reality for every American. And that's how we grow our communities, that's how we create stability, and that's how we create opportunity for all.
Yep.
So we'd like to thank everybody for joining us for our fun little debate tonight.
And the future of home ownership is bright, and together we will make it accessible for all.
Now it's time to get you pre-approved and ready to go house shopping, guys.
Call or text me, John, at 480-251-1152, or
call or text me, Rob, at 520-240-2189, and we'll be happy to answer any of your home mortgage-related questions, guys. And remember, guys, that
no loan is too big.
No loan is too small.
When it comes to home loans,
we can handle them all.
And of course, you guys out there know that our best source of business comes from you, all you guys out there and your referrals.
It sure does, John. So we always like to take a minute and thank everyone for their trust in referring us to their friends, their family, and anyone and everyone that you know that are needing home loans or just have home loan questions, guys.
Absolutely, again, because your referrals are the key to our success. So again, thank you so much for helping us spread that word. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate it.
Also, don't forget, please click on the bottom, follow, like, and share. Spread that word to others as well.
And guys, comment below. We want to hear your favorite Halloween tradition. So tell us below. We want to hear about it. So, and as always, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. And don't forget, I'm Rob.
And I'm John.
And we all hope you have a
funky,
fresh
Friday
here at Guild Mortgage. Guys, be safe. Look both ways before crossing the street.
And don't forget to keep right except the pass.
And as always, make someone's day.
Have a great weekend, guys.